Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A42. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it, click I accept and tap confirm. Now click continue and tap allow. You want to go with receive on Samsung and send on an Android. Normally you want to tap all of those dots to send all of your files. I don't want to do that, so I will just click on the song, choose send and wait. Now click got it, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon, choose allow and scan the code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out, you can, for example, go into Further My Files, choose Audio and Send Anywhere. As you can see, my file is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!